Welcome to this week's session at the Putnam County District Library. This week we are taking a look at Northstar. So when you are using Northstar, what it is it's different online and instruction with practice on different tech topics and programs. So we're going to go to the Putnam County District Library's website at mypcdl.org. From here, if you go under eMedia and /tech, you will see next to the last one at the bottom is Northstar Digital Literacy. You will get this icon here with Northstar Digital Literacy then, where you can click on this and it's going to take you to, and notice this is geared right straight to the Putnam County District Library, and you would then log in. If you already have an account, you can simply log in here down below. Otherwise, you would need to put in your information in terms of login. So we'll go to login here, and I'm going to simply put in an email address, and at this point would log into my account. So let me do that here. I'm going to log in with my password. And then after having logged in with my password, this is what I'm going to see. Notice now, it's all geared back to our district library here locally. If you are in a different county, around a different library, it would be the same. You would just simply see your library here at the top. And then what you have is you have your essential computer skills, you have essential software skills, and you have technology in daily life. I'm just going to simply click on one of these so that you can get an example to see what it's like here to start off with. We'll just go to essential computer skills. For example, if I click on basic computer skills, it is going to, first of all, always ask me if I can hear the music. And it's doing this because there is audio involved. So I simply click. As long as I hear the music playing, then I know that the sound works fine. So I'm going to click next.
This video will show you how to take a Northstar assessment. If you already know how to take
that you can click on, or let play through, or you can skip that. And then if we go to start now,
click on the desktop computer.
Getting my questions. Notice it's speaking to me. It's asking me to click on the desktop computer, so I simply click.
Click on the laptop computer.
Same thing, laptop.
Click on the device with a touch screen.
And if I do not know an answer, I can simply click here below. Notice there are 33 questions total. I can also then, as I go all the way through this, what you're going to see when I am done is I would have what would be a score here. So I'm just going to simply pull this across, and you'll see this is telling me I went through my 33 questions. These are the skills that I've mastered, and these are the skills that I could use to improve. And it's tying that back to the question. So notice the second question here. Identify your specific computer hardware. Obviously, I had taken this before, got the question wrong, and so I then, with my final results, could see this information. That is what I would see. I'm going to simply go back here, and if I go back to view other questions, notice I can also see any of my questions here individually. I can't go visit any of these yet because I haven't done them. However, I could go back to something that I have done before to change that answer. So I'm going to go back here to my beginning screen here, where I was looking at the essential computer skills. I have my software skills. So if you're using any type of a Microsoft product or Google Docs, you would have the same information. as well as this technology in daily life. This can be helpful. It's not only has some social media information, but it also has some information concerning your digital footprint, which has become very important in this day and age. Also, this telehealth appointments. This has again been something that has become very popular when it comes to any type of doctor visits of any type. So this can kind of be helpful to go through to explain how to go about doing anything with a telehealth appointment. I'm going to just simply click here on digital footprint just for an example. Again, same thing. Do you hear the sound? Go next.
This video will show you how to
Always get the orientation. Always can skip.
What can you expect in this module? This module has a story with a character named Casey.
So it's
Casey is searching for a new job and wants to make sure she has a positive. Deka tells Casey she needs to clean up her digital footprint. Which of these statements is true about a digital footprint? Select the best answer.
So those are your essential computer skills, your software skills, as well as some technology and daily life examples that can be helpful. Again, this is available by going to the Putnam County website under the e-learning, and you can then go through and take any of these classes that basically involve technology. I hope everyone has a fantastic week. See you next week. Happy learning.